When you take ginger, all these things will happen to you. If you consider taking ginger as a man or as a woman or anybody taking ginger, when you take ginger water, all this will happen to you. But remember that ginger is a natural ingredient which every human being on earth is supposed to consume. And when you consume ginger, it will make you to live a healthy life. But before I proceed on the benefits you are going to derive from taking ginger water, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, maybe today is your first time to come across this channel, consider today to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the benefits you are going to derive when you take ginger water? Not only taking ginger water, you can also add ginger in your diets. You can also add it in your salad, or you can still consume it raw. If you do this, anyone you do, you will still get the best benefit from taking ginger, apart from mixing it with other ingredients. If you boil ginger with water and boil it for about 5 minutes, you will get the best recipe which will help you to live a healthy life. So if you take ginger water, all these things that I am going to say now will be your benefits. Number one is that in case of too much cholesterol, ginger will help you to reduce cholesterol in your body system. Remember that cholesterol leads to fats, or cholesterol also leads to high testosterone. So with cholesterol, it can still make you to have hormonal imbalance. So too much cholesterol is effective, or it is not good for your body system. So if you have too much cholesterol, maybe you go to the hospital or to the lab to check your cholesterol level. If it is high, consider today to take ginger in order to live a healthy life. So with ginger, it will help you get rid of too much cholesterol. Number two benefit you are going to derive from taking ginger is that ginger helps to fight infection. Anything like infection in your body, ginger will help you to get rid of it. Do you know that ginger is like an antibiotics which you can use to get rid of infection, bacteria, or any kind of diseases that might disrupt your immune system? Ginger can help you get rid of those things and to make you live a healthy life. Number three benefit you are going to derive from taking ginger is that ginger helps to fight cancer. Anyone having cancer, ginger can help you live longer. Ginger can help you to terminate cancer, and with ginger, it can also help you to prevent cancer. So if you have cancer, consider taking ginger. It will help you to live long. Other benefits you are going to derive from taking ginger is that ginger helps to protect your brain from any kind of disease or infection which might make you to have a retardative or a slow brain function. Ginger will help you to protect your brain from any kind of infection or anything that will disrupt the function of your brain. If you want your brain to memorize, to function fast, or to think fast, consider today to start taking ginger. With ginger, it will help you to make your brain sharp. It will help your brain to be in the perfect state and also protect your brain from any kind of harmful effects which might make it not to perform well. Another benefit you are going to derive from taking ginger is that it helps you to regulate blood sugar level, which might lead to type 2 diabetes. Ginger will help you to regulate your blood sugar level, and you know that if your sugar level is too high, it can lead to diabetes, and having diabetes as a man will lead to erectile dysfunction. Having diabetes as a man will make you never to perform well as a man. So in case if you want to correct anything like erectile dysfunction, or you want to terminate diabetes, ginger will help you to get to this level, or to get rid of diabetes. So consider today to be taking ginger as much as you can. It has no side effects. Ginger is one of the best natural ingredients any man need to be consuming in order to live a healthy life. So all these are what you are going to derive when you take ginger water, or when you add it in your diet. So that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe to be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men, or other videos related to men and health benefits. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you good luck, success. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.